So if we talk about the plug and play aspect of the tool, if the tools are not plug and play, then very high maintenance overhead will be there. Because if you are adding a new tool, you have to do changes in the agent code logic. But if the tools are plug and play, then your system will be scalable. Meaning to say that in your agentic AI system, you can add hundreds and thousands of tools without even touching the code logic, without even changing the code logic. And hence your system will be very scalable if the tools are plug and play. Separated reasoning. So if you separate reasoning from execution, like if you don't do that, if execution and reasoning are not separated, then the problem is of the security risk. But if they are separated, then your agentic AI application will be secure and robust. Because the idea is that execution will be taken care by the highly specialized tools, and large language model has nothing to do with that. And if large language model take care of the execution, then it might make mistakes. So security risk will be there. Next very important consideration, are the tools swappable? If tools are not swappable, then there will be a vendor lock-in. Like, because whatever vendor you are using, the tool of a particular vendor, you will stick to it. Because changing the tool will be a very big headache if the tools are not swappable. But if the tools are swappable, very easily you can replace the tools. So your agentic AI system will be future proof. Now, next very important question, tool registry. If you are not making use of tool registry, then you cannot integrate thousands of tools in your agentic AI system. Then your agentic AI system will be small scale only. It will support only some n number of tools. But if you are maintaining a tool registry, it will be very easy for you to manage even thousands of tools via the tool registry. So your agentic AI system will be enterprise ready. Your agentic AI system will be enterprise ready. Now, next very important question is reusability. Like, the tools, are they reusable? If the tools are not reusable, then you have to write unnecessarily many different tools. So we call it redundant code, because tools are not reusable. So for every capability, you will be end up writing a tool. So redundant code. And if tools are reusable, then your agentic AI system will be lean and efficient, wherein you will make use of the tools wherever you want. So lean and efficient. And next very important aspect is the workflow dynamic. Like, if your agentic AI system does not support dynamic orchestration, and if it is following a fixed workflow, then your agentic AI system will be rigid and brittle. It will very easily break. But if it is supporting dynamic workflow, dynamic orchestration, then your agentic AI system will be adaptive and intelligent. Then your agentic AI system will be adaptive and intelligent because of dynamic orchestration. In the real time, it will make a plan. It will decide the workflow. And hence, this agentic AI system will be very flexible, adaptive, intelligent. It will be able to handle uncertainty as well. So these are like very important design checklists we discussed, and this will help you. Like, if you follow all these design principles, then you can make an agentic AI system which is highly scalable, secure and robust, future proof, enterprise ready, lean and efficient, adaptive and intelligent.